This is a pencil set by NicPro that I absolutely love. This thing is awesome. I have several of these pencil sets, and this one is by far the best. Arrangement, storage, everything you could want in a pencil set is in this kit. I'm actually blown away that they got everything in here. We'll start at the bottom. First, you've got the spring-loaded center punch, and I'll get a piece of wood if I were going to drill. So easy, so nice, very tough. So next, we've got looks like a scribe. Yeah, the scribe. That is carbide steel tip, and that will mark anything. Definitely wood, it'll mark in steel. Very strong point. Those are very useful for marking on metal. And then we've got a marker, paint. It's a marker, a black marker with a very long nib, so you could get it inside a hole to make a diameter, whatever. That's special. I like that. We have 2 of those, actually 6 of those, 2 black, 2 yellow, 2 red, long nib markers. You can actually see it better with the red. There's the tip, and you see how long you have, so you can fit inside things just to mark. Really cool. Then we've got our pencils, black, yellow, and red again, and this is a 2.0, so 2mm lead, pre-sharpened. And the yellow, I hope it has yellow. Yes, the yellow has yellow, red has red, black is black. This is the first time I'm looking at this set, by the way. And then we've got the large set, 2.8mm, almost 3mm. That is amazing. So that's not going to break when you're writing on a drawing or writing on a piece of wood, metal, whatever. And I like that the nib is skinny again, so you can get it. Some of these pencils with the big thick lead, you can't get in anywhere. They're too thick. This one has a long skinny nib, so I like that. Again, yellow, red, black. Oh, they put black in the red. What about the yellow? Oh, these have black in them. Let's see if we've got 2.0 red and yellow leads. We've got 2.0 black. I've got 2.8 red and yellow. Not sure why they didn't put the red and yellow in those, but we can do that. We have another set, 2.8 red, yellow, and black. Of course, you're probably going to use black more. Oh, and then we've got white, blue, green in the 2.8. So we actually have white, blue, green, red, yellow, black. 6 different colors in the 2.8. That's awesome. Okay, and then we also have 2.0, multiple colors, along with the red and yellow and black. Plenty of lead. You're not gonna need to replace those anytime soon. You also get 2 of these white erasers. I love these white erasers. They're not huge, but I always lose them before I wear them out anyway, so 2 of those. And then we go up to the top, and we've got an extra tip for the punch, hole punch. We've got pencil sharpeners for the leads, probably a 2 and a 2.8. We've got, I'm not sure what this, oh, another pencil sharpener. Didn't look far enough. Oh, okay. So these have pencil sharpeners integrated into the tops. So they gave you an extra one. The 2.8mm pencils. Let's see if the yellow and red also. Yes, that's so cool. So every one of the 2.8mm pencils has a pencil sharpener integrated into it at the top, and they send an extra one. We've got our bubble level, line level, and then also the round bubble level for surface. Love that. And last, looks like extra scribe tips. 5 extra of the carbide scribe tips. This is just such a cool set, and it's all like laid out right. It's well packaged. I love the case. You know, I can carry that with me if I need to go out, or I can have it here on my drafting table. This is just such a neat set. I just love it. This is incredible. This would make an awesome gift for an engineer, draftsman, carpenter, you name it. Anybody would love to have this set.